Welcome to Eric Blackman Music.
Okay, I confess, I steal guitar riffs from popular songs to use in my own guitar solos. Hopefully, I won't have the music police show up and arrest me for grand theft solo. In this session, I will show you how I take a riff by a popular artist and expand it into riffs that I can use for other songs. The guitar is tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E, and this riff is one from All Along the Watchtower by JIMI Hendrix. Here is what it sounds like. Here's how I'm playing that riff. I'm going to go to the B string, fret 11, hit it and bend it up, land on fret 8 of the high E string, go back to 11 on the B string, back to 8 on the high E, 10, and then back to 8. So that's I'm going to loop that by going to fret 8 on the B string, 11, 8 on the high E, 10, and then back to 8. So that's then I'll move to fret 8 on the B string, 11, 8 on the high E, 10, 8, 8 on the B string, bend 11 on the B string, then go to 8 again on the high E, 11 on the B string, and then 8 on the high E. So here's what we have so far. We'll finish with this. So we went to fret 10 on the G string and bent it up, fret 8 on the B string and high E, 11 on the B string, 8, go to fret 10 again on the G string, go up again, bend it up and bring it back down to pitch and hit it, and then end on 8. So that's so once again, here's our entire riff. This riff is in the key of C minor. So what we'll do now is we'll go to YouTube and find a random backing track in the key of C minor and play this riff across it. Now because it was in the same key, that riff fit very nicely across that track. Now what we'll do is we'll take pieces of the riff and see if we can make more riffs from them. Okay, so what we did is we started here. What we'll do is we'll loop that so it'll sound like this. So let's play that across that track and see what it sounds like. Okay, so there's another piece of that riff that sounds like this. So that's how we ended the riff. Let's see what we can do with that. So we can loop that, or we can turn it into a different riff. Like that. So once we've learned the riff, we can take parts of it and move them around to create new riffs. I'll play that riff backwards. What I'll do is play the ending of it first and then go into the loop part, like this. So we've got a completely new riff. Let's try something like that across the track. Well, all right, my secret's out. That's how I take riffs from popular songs and turn them into riffs that I can use in other songs. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.